What's up, you guys? My name is Gabby Williams. Welcome to my office, and I'm going to give you guys a tour. Okay, so this is the front area. We do a lot of meetings right here at the bar. We always have candy here. We have clients that come in, families that come in, so we always have business cards right here, hand sanitizer. We get a lot of mail that comes in from our clients. This is from our client Nadia, because we're installing some stuff in our house, and we'll be doing that today. Sometimes it gets a little junky up here, but that's okay because it's an office. We also do, you probably see this in some of my content, like powwows right here. This is where I like to kind of come out of the office and be with the people, be with the agents. So we meet a lot here. On the right side of the office is where the majority of our agents sit. This board right here is really where we meet every Thursday. So this is our leaderboard. Anything from production activity to announcements to our scripture of the month, agent of the month, all of this is housed in one area. We just like to keep it old school, not fancy. We always have real estate content on. We either have real estate content on, and sometimes our realtors will put on worship. So we always have something going on the big screen TV. All of our realtors are here. We have more of like an open spaced realtor seating for collaboration and conversation. If you're a newer agent and you're sitting next to a seasoned agent, it makes a big difference on how you move forward in your career. This is my director of operations office. It's pretty, I'll let you guys get a peek in. It's pretty normal, pretty plain. So she comes in here, she meets with our agents every 60 days. So we're always trying to figure out how can we be better, stronger, and more powerful in the industry and in the market. This is our content room. I'm gonna see if you guys can come in here. When you see anything with our podcast sometimes or our YouTube, it's here. We have two different vignettes. I think that's how you say it. One is here. We have lights everywhere. We're always like, how do we add in more features for our team to do more content? They do conversations here, and then we have another corner one-on-one conversation that you can do with your phone right there. So that's the content room. Right back here is our meeting desk. Again, this is an office, so there's stuff everywhere, but a lot of times the agents will sit here and meet and have meetings. Usually every 60 to 90 days, we have some type of event. So we have one that we're getting ready to start planning. It's going to be a back to school event, and my agents will be back here planning a community back to school event. Back here is the kitchen. A kitchen is a kitchen. We always have snacks. I think combined, we have probably over 20 kids that are children of our agents and people that work here. So we always have snacks for after school and any clients that would come by. Snacks and waters in the refrigerator, and then stuff over there. Our bathrooms are that way. I'm gonna take you guys to the other side. This TV is great because sometimes if we're having meetings right here, we can stream on this TV so that the 2 or 3 people who are meeting here can easily see the notes and see what's going on. We have a large map of St. Louis right here. Our core values, I don't know if you guys know this, but our core values are integrity, holistic investing, and execution. And so this is a map of the city that we dominate. Another bathroom right here. A lot of what you'll see on the walls is like Gateway Arch stuff. This one says the Gateway Arch. This one is the Gateway Arch. That's what the city is famous for and known for. Photos all over the office. This is my office. You guys have probably already seen content in here before. I try to work off of 2 screens to go faster. Sometimes I work off of 3 screens. I do a lot of writing. So I have sometimes 1 whiteboard in here. Sometimes I have 2. Names of clients, welcome packet things I'm changing. What am I doing after Real Estate Bay Live? Like, I'm always masterminding on how to serve our folks better. One of my favorite rooms is to the left. And this is our kid room. Pretty simple. Kids come here after school, before school. Summertime is usually packed with kids because we're helping their parents buy a house or look at their finances. And so they grab a snack out of the kitchen and they hang in here and watch TV. This is Brandon's room. We're gonna close his door because he's about to take a call. Say hey. We have big whiteboards all over the office, just showing people, showing ourselves how to get to the next level and mastermind. I won't go in here because he looks like he's doing some work. This seems serious. This is John, our vice president's office. Sometimes he uses the standing desk. Sometimes he sits at his desk. This is Ben. Ben, say hi to the people. doing a quick tour. Ben is our field manager. So when you buy houses with us, he is your first leg into your house. He goes into all of your houses. When it comes to permits, talking to contractors, that is your guy. And then you may have seen some content in here as well. We have another TV on that wall. We have a podium for when we're doing master classes. And then we always have whiteboards, again, everywhere. This one is for hot homes. We try to get over the finish line on the most important homes every 7 days. And so we call those the hotties. And then, yeah, we're always working off of whiteboards. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed checking out our office, and I'll let y'all go. Bye.